Yes, now we need to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract that 27 over. So then I have x minus 27 equals 4y. And then I'm dividing by 4. So y is x minus 27 over 4. And you're done. That's as far as you can go.
Okay, that's easy. Yeah, that's easy.
You want me to do the other example?
Yeah.
Okay. So then that one, will somebody close that door? All right, so for this one, again, y is negative 2x cubed plus 7. Swap them. X equals negative 2y cubed plus 7. Okay? So what do we do first to get y by itself? Subtract the 7. So x minus 7 equals negative 2y cubed.
Don't you have to take the cube root of both sides?
Almost. We need to do something else first.
You divide first.
Yeah, divide by the negative 2. So then,
Then take the cube root.
yeah, so you have x minus 7 over negative 2 is y cubed. Yes, then to get rid of that cube, you take the cube root. So y is equal to the cube root of x minus 7 over negative 2. Yes?
So how are we supposed to get the cube? Or like just
If it's cubed or if it's a square root, then if it's squared, then square root it, cube root it.
Quadruple root?
Yeah, fourth root it.
Yeah.
Just use whatever the exponent is.
I was just because
Yeah, so whatever number is here, use here. Okay?
So anytime we have an exponent like that, we always take the square
Yes.
root of it?
Yes. Okay. So, I'm not going to give you any of the fraction ones on there that we did that were harder. Keep it simple because it's been a long time since we've done them. Okay? Well, so then that's a good thing. Moving on to our exponential functions, right? That's where our exponent is in the, or our variable is in the exponent, right? So all you're doing is you just plug in the numbers it gives you, right? So then remember the ones we do without the calculator. So like 3 to the negative 2. Remember, negative exponent turns that to a fraction. So it's 1 over 3 squared. Because that's what negative exponents do. They make them reciprocals.
That's positive?
Yeah, it moves down and becomes positive. And then so that would just be 1 over 9. Does everybody remember how to plug exponents into the calculator? Right, you use that little button beside the little arrow button beside the 7. Okay? So, let's say I give you 3.2 to the 1.8 power. Do that now on your calculator. Tell me what you get. Oh, get a calculator if you don't have one. Sorry. Yep.
Why did you have to say it before we all got a calculator? We know you have your own calculator. What are we doing?
Put in this.
Oh my god.
All right. Just trying to make sure we all remember what we're doing.
Wait, I don't know how to do it.
3.2. Hit the little arrow button beside the 7.
Someone was doing some complicated math on this thing. Oh, okay.
Probably my calculus students.
It was like this whole big thing that I've never even seen before in my entire life.
Again, probably calculus.
I've never taken calculus. No, you don't. Not if you drop in high school. Okay. What?
You all aren't required to take calculus either.
Yeah, see, I told you, loser. I would have to.
Huh?
I'm right about something for once.
Depends on the diploma track you're on. If you're on the advanced college prep, then you have to take
What's the
calculus.
middle one? Is that thing?
College prep?
Do I have to take it up on that one?
No.
What the crap is going on?
What? 3.2 to the 1.8.
Oh, wait, never mind. I'm good now.
All right, everybody remember what they're doing? Okay.
Whoa. What else are we supposed to do on the calculator just after we get that? What do you want to do?
Okay, hold on.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Oh.
Hang tight.
It could be like
Oh,
the
there's
new
a way
it could be like the where you roll at it.
Yeah, just hit the little arrow button beside the 7.
Yeah, I think I did.
Yep.
Oh, I did do it right.
Okay. All right, let's talk about transformations of functions. Ew, you don't need that anymore. Go ahead.
I'm really bad at these.
So these are the ones where I give you something like, hold on.
Bad at these.
Let's go back and do some of the ones from that. Give me just a second. Okay, so let's say we have, all right, so what does that 2 tell us? All right, let's all be paying attention, please.
It expands.
It what?
It's small.
All right, so it's a stretch.
Yeah.
Right, so the 2 tells us that there is a stretch. If that number was a fraction smaller than 1, what would it be? Compressed. Okay, what does this 7 tell us?
It moves to the right or left.
Which one?
The left.
Left. Opposite signs inside, remember?
Why?
Because that's the rule.
I'm just trying to figure out.
Okay, what does that -4 tell us?
It goes down.
How many?
4.
4. Okay, that's it, guys.
But that,
And then what if I made this a -2?
a reflection.
You slay. I don't know. I understand it. It's just I don't want to do it.
I don't care. You don't. It's May. Nobody wants to do anything.
I know.
Suck it up.
I
Yes.
You
Does the
know.
11 do anything?
No, that's just your base of your thing.
I'm like,
Okay, so if the 2 is a fraction, then it's compression.
Yes.
And then
If it was 1/2, it would have been a compression.
if it's subtracting its own parentheses, then it goes to the right.
Yes.
And if it adds on the end, then it goes up.
Yes. 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 Okay. So there's that page. Then we talked about logarithms. Remember, if there's no base, it's a common log, right? Which means assumes log base 10. Okay. If it's ln, that's log base e. Make sure you know how to plug those in on a calculator. Do we remember?
Yes.
Okay. We just did all that with change of base. And then remember to convert between them. Okay. So like if we have 4 squared equals 16, right? Your exponent's what it's equal to, right? So exponent is what it's equal to. Okay, the base is the base, and then 16 is 16. Okay, so just make sure you can write them both ways. That's fine.
Probably one of these.
You can get them at Walmart.
For real?
Yeah, it's calculators. Yeah, I think Walmart carries them. If not, Amazon does. But it's the TI-34 Multi-View. Yes. Yeah, they're not going to be yellow, but because yellow is like the school purchase, like the class set ones.
Magic school bus.
Okay. Any questions on this part? You guys did pretty good with this. And then the last section is just what we've been doing, the expanding, condensing, change of base. I wrote it all out for you. Like I broke it down super step by step so you had examples.
Do we have any 52 through 60 stuff?
Honors will probably have a couple.
Are you being so for real right now?
Oh, it's so bad.
It's just condensing and then change of base.
I don't like. I'm gonna like learn it slow.
It will be okay. We'll see. Maybe if you quit whining, I'll make them bonus.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So I don't really feel the need to go back over the expanding condensing because we just did it.
We're good.
Okay, so there are practice problems down there. Okay, they're in the book. Please make sure they are finished by Monday. I know you guys won't be here tomorrow, but you need to get these finished by Monday. Okay. Okay. I should have some over in the thing, in my drawers, unless I'm out of paper.
Okay, let's do this.